Hey everyone, so I'm just finishing up some orders. These are my orders so far, so I'm be finishing that up. And also I do have a new design that's going to be added to the website for men, and then I have one for women as well. And they both will come with the glass ashtray. I don't have the other one for the men yet because I'm just starting that one, but that one will be on my website soon, so you can look out for that. But right now I am doing a Raiders tray. I've already done the ashtray. I'm just doing the tray right now. So I already got it packaged. That's a jar, a grinder, and then a free gift, which is the blunt splitter. People love that. So, and these rolling tray sets have been going bananas. I do have a sale, so make sure you check that out as well. I also do custom, so you can add your own picture on there. You can just email it to me, and then I can put a picture of you and your man's meal or anything you want on there. So I also do that, so you can check my website for that as well. So right now I'm just mixing the epoxy. Oh my god, this is the part that I don't like. I love doing designing the trays and all of that, but the epoxy part I don't like. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but my pink gloves with my pink paper, I love that. It's called branding, which I'm really not good at, but I guess, I don't know. I've been doing okay for myself, I guess you could say. I just want to thank everyone who supports Blazin Beauty. I really appreciate it. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm also doing the Winnie. What is this? Winnie in the bong. So this one comes with a jar and just the tray, and then this is just a free gift. Here's the tray. And you can also personalize this one.
Scandy. 25. Instinct.